Here's question number 1. A cylinder and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which equation can be used to find capital V, the volume of the cylinder, in cubic inches? Number 2. A cylinder and its dimensions are shown below. One equation for calculating the volume of a cylinder is capital V equals capital B times H, where capital B represents the area of the base of the cylinder. Which expression can be used to find the value of capital B in square centimeters for this cylinder? Number 3. A storage container for oil is in the shape of a cylinder with a diameter of 10 feet and a height of 17 feet. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the storage container in cubic feet? Number 4. A cone and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the cone in cubic inches? Number 5. A party hat is shaped like a cone. The dimensions of the party hat are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the party hat in cubic inches? Number 6. A container that holds sugar is shaped like a cylinder. The radius of the container is 3 inches, and the height of the container is 10.5 inches. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the container in cubic inches? Number 7. A ball shaped like a sphere has a radius of 2.7 centimeters. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the ball in cubic centimeters? Number 8. Quadrilateral FGHJ was dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create quadrilateral FGHJ prime. Which rule best represents the dilation that was applied to quadrilateral FGHJ to create quadrilateral FGHJ prime? Number 9. Circle 1 was dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create circle 2. Which rule best represents the dilation applied to circle 1 to create circle 2? Number 10. Emily sells greeting cards. The graph models the linear relationship between the number of boxes of cards she sells and her profit. Which of these best describes the profit Emily makes from selling these cards?